Okay, hello everybody. What you're going to witness in this video is my live day trading room. It's been open over a year now. We had our 1 year anniversary in February, and we have been just nailing it in the currency market. We also trade the S&P 500 futures. What I'm going to go over with you is institutional levels that we trade every single day. The difference between this live day trading room and all the other day trading rooms out on the internet is that we actually trade the same levels that the top hedge funds, institutions, and elite traders trade. When you go to my website, if you're interested in coming in for a 3 free day trial, you're going to witness day after day how we call the highs and lows in the currency markets. Now, when I talk about the currency markets, everybody's familiar with the Forex, but no one's really familiar with the CME currency market. It's really a niche market. It's been around since the 1970s, and the spreads are real tight, and the movement is anywhere between a 50 to 100 tick swings almost every single day. And the advantage you have in my trading room is I give you the exact entries, the exact stop, and the exact trailing stop loss, so there's no paralysis by analysis. You will know exactly when to get in, you'll know exactly when to stop out, and you'll know exactly how to trail your position. Now, this is a trade that we've done on the British pound. I've taken it to another level also in the trading room. You actually get a page to your cell phone or pager when you test one of my institutional levels. I give 3 different levels every night at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Those levels will dictate the highs and lows in all the currency markets. We trade the euro, the British pound, the Japanese yen, the Australian dollar, and the Canadian dollar, and also the S&P 500 futures. Okay. The nice thing about the CME currency market is you can open up a minimum account of $2,000, and you can day trade and nighttime trade with a $500 margin requirement. And that's the beauty of it. The risk to reward is phenomenal in the currency market. I've got traders in the room that have traded the S&P over 30 years of trading experience. And I got traders that have never traded before that are learning how to make the currency market an ATM machine for them also. So it doesn't matter your level of expertise. In fact, I kind of like individuals that don't have a tremendous amount of experience in all these different markets because they have a lot of bad habits. And you know, whether you have been a 30-year trader or a 1-year trader, 2-year trader, it's irrelevant. The bottom line is this is a very systematic approach on getting in and out of the markets with small risk and large rewards. Let's go over exactly how we do this. This is exactly the screen you'll be looking at in my live day trading room. It trades 22 out of 24 hours a day. I've got people all the way over in Europe, all the way in Hawaii, right across the board. It does not matter. We are worldwide. It trades 22 out of 24 hours a day. Every day in the trading room from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'm in the live day trading room training and also showing trade setups, how we execute this trading plan. So let's go over this. At 6 p.m., the institutional numbers will show up. This is a 1-minute chart. That's how we keep our risk low. We tested the institutional number right here. Okay, every night, let me scan this down. These 3 numbers will pop up, these 3 levels. There'll be a green line, a blue line, and a red line. Those numbers will dictate the highs and lows in the market. Okay, so we came down to my blue institutional number. This paged all our members in the room to their cell phones or pagers to come to their computer. They came to their computer and realized that we were testing my institutional support. We're going to look to take it long. You wait for the first green dot that pops up right here. The green dot was the entry. Our entry is now entered on the green dot right here. What's your stop loss? If you get a whole candle close below 50.17, which is the institutional support, we will stop out of the trade and wait for the next trade. It does not happen. We are rolling to the upside. The buy was the green dot. Where do we scale? Our first scale in our contracts, because we like to take it from institution to institution. Our overall target is going to be up here on our red institutional number. Okay, we entered down here. Where do you scale and take risk at? Our first scale out is going to be right here at the purple dots. These dots are way ahead of time. This is not after the fact stuff. In fact, your institutional numbers you will know at 6 p.m. every night, way ahead before the trade even happens. We even page your cell phone. So we scale our contracts out here. Now where do we adjust our stop? We adjust our stop now 2 ticks below the institutional number. So 50.17 was the number. 50.15 is going to be our stop loss for the rest of our contracts. We will continue to scale out on the purple dots. There's our second scale until we reach our institutional level. Now, there will be blue dots that give you symmetry. You will not break the blue dots if we're going to continue up to our next institutional level. That's the symmetry of the market, okay? I will look to add contracts back. Since we scaled out from our original entry, we took no heat on the trade. We'll look to buy on the blue dots on the first pullback. Okay? So we keep rolling up. Keep rolling up. Making a lot of money on this trade. It has not stopped the shout yet. There's our third scale. Bam! Pull back to the first blue dots for the first time. You can add contracts. You can enter on the first green dot again. There's our final target. Look at that. Look how that worked out. Institution to institution, you took no heat on the trade, 0 heat on the trade, right there. Okay? You took 0 heat on the trade. You went from green institution all the way up to the blue institutional level. Let me scan this down for you. Look at that. Notice how it held my symmetry dots all the way up. Look at the blue dots. Never broke it. Tested it. We could have went long again. All we do, we go long and short off these institutional levels. You will not be over trading in my room, and that's how you can make your computer an ATM machine. All right, these are the same levels the top institutions trade. If you're interested in coming in for my 3-day free trial in my trading room, please email me back on the email that I provided on this YouTube page. I'll get you in for 3 days. I'll also get you into my website that shows you all these trades we've done every single day. All right, everybody have a good one. Take care.